Lesson 5-9, Example 1. Our objective is learning to divide by fractions. And one of the efficient ways to divide by fractions is using the reciprocal, or another term for the reciprocal is the multiplicative inverse. And what that says is if you have a number, the multiplicative inverse, or the reciprocal, is the opposite. If you multiply that by something, you will get 1. So if I multiply 1/9 by some number, I should come up with 1. Well, the inverse of 1/9 is 9 over 1. So if I multiply 1/9 times 9 over 1, I come up with 9/9, and 9/9 is equal to 1. That is the definition of a reciprocal. If I have a number here, if I multiply it by something, I should come up with 1, and that something is the reciprocal. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say I have 2/3. So I'm going to think 2/3 times something is going to get me to 1. Well, 2/3 times 3/2, so I've just taken this 2/3 and I've flipped it over, is equal to 2 times 3, which is 6, and 3 times 2, which is 6, and 6/6 is equal to 1. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Let's take a look at one more here. Let's say we have a mixed number, 3 1/5. Well, I'm going to think of this as an improper fraction, so 16/5. So I want to know what the reciprocal of 16/5 is. Well, the reciprocal of 16/5 is 5/16. And I can prove that by this. I can say 16/5 times some number should get me 1. If I multiply 16/5 by 5/16, I come up with 80/80ths. And 80/80ths is equal to 1. So the reciprocal of 16/5 is 5/16. So I'm just basically taking this number and flipping. The denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator.